start it, everybody. 30 most important MCQs of क्लास 10th हिस्ट्री क्लास 10th, लेकिन इसमें राइज ऑफ द नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप चैप्टर 1 के ही इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs है. देखते हैं कि आपको कितना पता है. फ्रॉम विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज गॉसिपी गैरिबाल्डी बिलोंग टू. लास्ट ईयर ही पूछा था एक क्वेश्चन. ऑस्ट्रिया, इटली, स्पेन, ग्रीस. कम ऑन, फास्ट आंसरिंग. आंसर आ गया. यस, इट इज इटली. वेरी नाइस. Hero Lamour, Super Mouse, Cheerful Panther will be back. Quiz. Read both the statements and choose the correct option. ये भी last year पूछा था. You have 30 seconds. Assertion and reason. Assertion and reason का question है ये. Time's up. Almost after 5 seconds. Come on. Yeah. Both assertion and reason are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. Arrange the following events in chronological order and choose the correct option from the following. देखो, कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन जो हो रहे थे उसके सिमिलर ही हैं ये. Arrange the following events in chronological order. Treaty of Constant. ओह, किसी का भी आंसर सही नहीं है. You have to be very fast. बोर्ड एग्जाम में इसलिए तो एसएसटी में क्वेश्चन छूटते हैं. Reading comprehension is very much important. Which of the following resolution is called as the first expression of nationalism? ये 2020 में पूछा था. 2020 में. French Revolution, Glorious Revolution, the Revolution of the Liberals. हाँ, ये सही आंसर दिया भाई. ये सही आंसर है. Hero Lamour. Which type of governments were mainly driven in Europe after the defeat of Napoleon in 1815? Term 1 में पूछा था. 2021-22. Federal, liberal, feudal, conservative. What do you think? It is conservative. Nice. Next. रैंकिंग में अभी तक कोई बदलाव नहीं आया. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप ऑफ कंट्रीज कलेक्टिवली डिफीटेड नेपोलियन इन 1815? ब्रिटेन, रशिया, नीदरलैंड एंड जर्मनी. ब्रिटेन, रशिया, प्रूशिया एंड ऑस्ट्रिया. ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ब्रिटेन, रशिया, प्रूशिया एंड ऑस्ट्रिया. ब्रिटेन, लग्जमबर्ग, जर्मनी एंड इटली. टाइम्स अप. It is Britain, Russia, Prussia and Austria. अरे बाबा, NCERT. Why Hero Lamour has the three correct answers in a row. Great. What type of conservative regimes were set up in 1815 in Europe? Choose the appropriate answer. Conservative regimes 1815 में. Aristocratic, autocratic, dictatorial, democratic. यार MCQs देखने पे तो ये पूरी तरह से प्रूव हो जाता है ना कि NCERT में से ही आता है. हर एक चीज NCERT का, हर एक चीज. ओह, सुपर माउस. नाइस. Arrange the following in chronological order and choose the correct option. Fast reading करना. Napoleonic Wars, the Treaty of Vienna, Greek struggle of independence, for independence, slave nationalism in Ottoman Empire. SLAVE होना चाहिए था क्या यहाँ पे? Oh, correct. First, second, third and fourth. अरे तो बहुत easy था. Industrialization began in which of the following European countries in the second half of the 18th century? ये भी पूछा है. यार ईयर नहीं डाला. इंग्लैंड, फ्रांस, इटली एंड जर्मनी. कम ऑन. इट इज इंग्लैंड. इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन का मतलब इंग्लैंड यार. Oh, Super Mario Zero is on number 1 now. Great. In which of the following countries did the first liberalist nationalist upheaval take place in July 1830? Italy, France, England, Germany. Italy, France, England, Germany. This is also a PYQ, mostly asked in 2021-22. Last 3 seconds, 2-1, and that is France. France. Which of the following countries did the first? अरे यार क्या करते हो? NCERT लाइन बाय लाइन तैयार होना बहुत जरूरी है. वहीं से सारे क्वेश्चन आते हैं यार. क्या? Who among the following remarked when France sneezes, the rest of the Europe catches cold? Term 1. 2 साल पूछा है. 21-22, 2020 में भी पूछा था. Yeah, Metternich. करेक्ट आंसर. कंपटीशन तगड़ा है भाई सुपर माउस और हीरो के बीच में. Two statements are given. Assertion, region. Read the statement. Choose the most appropriate option. Fast पढ़ो and fast answer करो. Assertion: after Russian occupation in Poland, the Russian language was imposed on its people. Reason: the use of Polish soon came to be a symbol of struggle against Russian dominance. A is incorrect, but reason is correct. Both assertion and reason are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. ये था करेक्ट आंसर. ब्लू वाला. You have to be faster on this question. क्योंकि कॉपी कर लेते हैं लोग, इसलिए टाइम कम दे रहा हूं मैं. Read the facts regarding the revolution of the liberals in Europe during 1848 and choose the correct option. Abdication of the monarch. Universal male suffrage had been proclaimed. Political rights to women were given. Freedom of press had been asked for. क्या? Only first, second and third are correct. Oh my god. Oops. फिर से assertion region का question है. Two statements are given below. Assertion and region. Read the statement and choose the most appropriate option. Weavers in Silesia had led a revolt against contractors in 1845. Reason: contractors had drastically reduced their payments. Now tell me the answer. Red, blue, orange or green? Oh, it's green. भाई साहब assertion region वाले question. Reading comprehension fast read करना ही पड़ेगा. फास्ट प्रोसेसिंग करना ही पड़ेगा, तभी आप लोग एग्जाम में 30, 35, ऑलमोस्ट 40 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं यार. और यहाँ तो लिखना भी नहीं है, तो आंसर करना है फटाफट. Which of the following treaties recognized Greece as an independent nation? It is Treaty of Constantinople. Hello Lemur, Hero Remul is on 6006 points. क्या बात है. Number 1. Which of the following is not a part of a United Kingdom of Great Britain? England, Poland, Scotland, Ireland. अरे इस समय ब्रेक्जिट हुआ था उस समय, इसलिए क्वेश्चन बोर्ड एग्जाम में पूछा था. क्या बात है. पोलैंड इज द करेक्ट आंसर. दोनों का सही है, लेकिन रैंकिंग में कोई चेंज नहीं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज द आर्किटेक्ट फॉर द यूनिफिकेशन ऑफ जर्मनी? William 1, William 2, Frederick 3, Otto von Bismarck. Otto von Bismarck is the correct answer. Very nice. 76137129. Next question, please. Who among the following had sought to put together a coherent program for a unitary Italian republic during the 1830s? Red, blue, orange, green. It's Giuseppe Mazzini. Italian. Okay. Super Mouse is on number 1. क्या बात है भाई? Great. Who among the following was proclaimed king of United Italy in 1861? Nero, Giuseppe Garibaldi, Victor Emmanuel II, Charles I. Last? Oh, second last. It is Victor Emmanuel. लगता है रैंकिंग में चेंज आने वाला है. No, Super Mouse is on fire. On which of the following modern aspects did the new Germany place a strong emphasis? 21-22 में पूछा. Currency, legal system, banking, demography. What do you think? Oh, only 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Only one answer is correct. और है ये हीरो लैमूर का. क्या बात है. Which of the following Italian states was ruled by an Italian princely house? Sardinia, Piedmont, Lombardy, Papal State, Venetia. Sardinia, Piedmont. Nice. 200 points का difference लग रहा है almost बस. 8 questions left. Identify the characteristics of Cavour among the following and choose the correct option. He was an Italian statesman. He spoke French much better than Italian. He was a tactful diplomat. He belonged to a royal family. First, second, fourth, first, third, fourth, first, second, third. Only first and second are correct. What do you think? What do you think? Only first, second and third are correct. कोई बात नहीं. 2 statements are given. Assertion region. Fast पढ़ना है. Fast. Assertion है, in Britain the formation of the nation states was not result of a sudden upheaval. Reason, ethnic groups of Britain extended its influence. Term 1. Both assertion and reason are correct. R is the correct explanation of A. Both assertion and reason are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is correct, but R is incorrect. A is correct, but R is correct. Come on, fast. Oh, A is correct, but R is incorrect. Very good. किसने किया ये सही? Super Mouse. वाह भाई, Super Mouse है. Bat Mouse रख लो अपना नाम. Arrange the following events related to formation of nation states in Britain in chronological order. Act of Union between England and Scotland. English Parliament seized power from monarchy. Ireland was forcibly incorporated into United Kingdom. Catholic revolt against British dominance. Third, first, second, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. Second, first, fourth, third. Fourth, first, second, third. And again, सेकंड, फर्स्ट, फोर्थ, थर्ड इज द करेक्ट आंसर. देखें किसका सही है. इज इट सुपर माउस और हीरो लैमोर? इट इज सुपर माउस. क्या बात है भाई. Who among the following leaders formed a secret society called Young Italy? ये तो बता दो यार भाई, फटाफट. गॉसिपी मजीनी. यस बिल्कुल, ये तो था ही है. ये गॉसिपी मजीनी पे बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछा है. Why was Otto von Bismarck considered as the chief architect of German unification? He allied with Italy and France for the unification processes. He carried liberalist and romantic scholars for cultural movement. He carried the nation building process with the army and the bureaucracy. He granted autonomy to Prussian conservatives. Okay, everybody, you can join the game by downloading the free Kahoot app. Join free, see your name on the screen, and enjoy the game. Come on! Choose the correctly matched pair from the following: Bourbon Kings, Italy; Otto von Bismarck, Germany; Napoleon, Spain; Giuseppe Garibaldi, France. 2020 में क्वेश्चन पूछा था भाई. It is Otto von Bismarck, Germany. Nice. Super Mouse is leading the game. Which among the following was the main reason for viewers to revolt against contractor in Silesia in 1845? They stopped the supply of raw materials to them. They refused to place orders for finished textiles. Condition of viewers was very pitiable. Contractors reduced their payments drastically. Okay, so दोनों का आंसर सही है तो दोनों को पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. Super Mouse is leading. Second last question. Identify the ideology under which people demanded freedom of markets in early 19th century Europe. Rationalism, socialism, liberalism, romanticism. It is liberalism. Very nice. Excellent. Great.